Simply visit these web pages and then start copying them. Simple copy and paste for plenty of money. Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new way to earn $72 in 30 minutes with simple copy and paste. This is a completely beginner-friendly method, so basically anyone can do this after watching this video. Guys, this is an evergreen method, so it's guaranteed to work through all the upcoming years. But guys, I'm gonna share a few secrets throughout the video which will maximize your profit, so make sure to pay close attention and do not skip any part. And now guys, I'm gonna jump into the first step, but only after I ask you to hit the like button if you like this method and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn about more ways to monetize your time online. And now let's jump into the first step.
Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple.
And for the first step of our method, I want you guys to connect to EmpireFlippers.com. And this is a website which will help us tremendously today in our initiative to make some huge amounts of profit. So basically what this website does is they sell and they act as a middleman when you sell websites or businesses. As you can see right off the bat, they've made nearly 300 million sales overall. So huge amounts of money are going through this website and we are gonna take advantage of that. But I need to tell you that this is a fairly new website. It is online for less than a year and we're gonna take advantage of that as well because our strategy depends on that. And if we scroll down a bit, you can see that there are plenty of websites listed, so you can see some of the popular monetizations are Amazon, dropshipping, and e-commerce. And if you want to grab a website that's monetized through Amazon, you can get 46 listings and so on. But the thing I wanted to show you that these guys have been featured on New York Times, Forbes, Huffington Post, and a few others. So it doesn't matter that they're fairly new. They made their name pretty quickly and got onto these websites as well. So what I want you guys to do now is to explore this website a little bit more, and down here we can see that they accept Bitcoin as well. So that's another option for you. If you have some Bitcoin to spare, you can use it here and make some money. But right now, I want you to click on this view all 131 listings. And here you can see that websites are selling for crazy amounts of money. For example, $184,000, $163,000, $200,000, and so on. As you can see, plenty of these websites and people are making huge profits here. Huge amounts of money are circulating on this website, and we're gonna grab a piece of that cake as well, as I'm gonna show you a strategy which you can leverage and make yourself some nice income. As you can see, only in the last month they made traffic of $11 million. So guys, these are all some crazy figures and we need to start making this money as well. And for the second step of our method today, I want you guys to connect to Flippa.com. And basically, this is the same concept. The only difference is that Flippa is a fairly old website and they have been in the business for a very long time. They sold many websites till now, and you can see prices here are a bit lower, and that's the thing that we're gonna use in our method to make some money for us. Flippa.com is used by many people. Plenty of money is going over here, and as you can see, over 400 million in sales already happened here. And these guys are professionals, professional as they get. And right now, I'm gonna show you some reviews on Trustpilot so you can see that these guys are very legit. And as you can see, they've got rating of 3.8 and some very nice reviews. So if you had doubts about whether or not this website is legit or trustful, now you don't have to worry about that because they've got pretty good rating here. And now let me show you the strategy. I promise you guys that this is gonna be very, very profitable. It requires a little bit of investment from your side, but it's gonna be double or triple in the long run. So you don't have to worry about that. And here you can see the websites are selling for $85,000, $60,000. But if we scroll down a bit more, you can see that there is a section in which you can get a fast start under $2,500. And here you can see that the starting price for this website, for example, is only $1, and net profit of that website is $172 per month. And if we click on see more over here, it will open up this page where we can chase these websites which are on some kind of a discount if we want to talk about that, and that way it's a discount. And for example, if we take a look at this one, for example, it's $99. And what we're gonna do next is a little bit shady, but it's very profitable. Basically, we're gonna buy this website from here and we're gonna sell it over here on Empire Flippers because prices over here are greater than there, and I'm sure we can sell some. Empire Flippers has the customers which can pay a bit higher prices, so we're gonna take advantage of it and we're gonna make some money in the process. So what I want you to do now is click on this website, this section, and here you can place a bid of $99 so we can buy this website and sell it on Empire. And here you can get a view of how this website is performing, but of course you have to create your account to view this all detailed information including traffic, financials, and seller notes. So let's make us account here by clicking on the sign in button over here. And here, of course, you would have to enter your email address, your password, but of course, make sure that your email address is valid one because they're gonna send you a confirmation link and you need to click on that in order to get your account approved. But alternatively, you can use your Google account and click on this, and this will be a little bit faster, of course. Now here, you're gonna select I'm looking to buy. You're gonna enter your company name, but that's optional. How did you hear, where you're located, phone number, and click on create my account. And now once we have our account, we can look at some of that detailed information. In the meantime, I found even cheaper website which goes for $30. So now we won't need to invest plenty of our money, only $30. And let me say you this, we're gonna sell it on the other website for $300 or $400 even, because on Empire Flippers, we can put it at a higher price because the audience there has more money to spend. That's simple. So if we scroll down a little bit, we can see some detailed information. And for example, like site age, it's 7 months. Platform is Shopify and the type of site is e-commerce. So I'm just gonna take a look at how this feedback is over here. And now when we're sure that the website is good for us, we're just gonna place a bid over here or contact seller directly. Alternatively, you can make offer right away, and this process should be done in a fast manner. And once we do that, we can simply go on Empire Flippers and you're gonna click on this button, sell your site, and the website which you bought for $30 here can be sold for $400, guys. And trust me, plenty of people made money on this using this exact same strategy, and we can do that as well. It is simply copying and pasting websites from other platform to another one, And it requires only a small investment of $30, and you're gonna earn $370 in turn. And in the future, you can use that and reinvest it and buy another website and sell it again here. And that way, you're gonna make some crazy amounts of profit, guys. And imagine if you get lucky and you buy one site for, let's say, $50 and you sell it here for $1,000. Now, how would that feel? How would it feel to earn $950 just for copying and pasting the website from one platform to another? Now, that's some huge profits, and that's what I'm talking about when making money online. This is a true monetization of your time online, and everybody can do it. It is completely beginner friendly. And all you have to do now is take action, visit these websites, and start making money with this. And when you sell your first site, please come back down to the comment section and write me about it. Tell me how much you were able to earn so I get some kind of a feedback, and that way I can be sure that I help some people in their endeavors as well. So that will be everything for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.